Hello everyone, it's Stuart here. Linda and family are in Colorado enjoying the baby. As you can tell by these photos, that's the first one I've seen of Jamie with her. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to show an old video of mine that I took off Route 66 in college at a place called the Round Barn in Oklahoma. If you happen to be in town, the Round Barn is a pretty cool place to visit. Right off Route 66 from Oklahoma City. It's just right up I-35, heading east once you get to Edmond. There's some great music in this by a man named Parker Millsap from Noble, I believe. I was privileged to get to hear a lot of his stuff early. Inside, you'll meet a man named Mr. Sam. He was one of, if not the most interesting person I've ever met, and probably the sweetest guy I've ever known. I hope you guys enjoy it.
You can count all the letters I ever wrote. One better count the words I ever spoke. I'm tethered to her now. Run away and I'll choke. How do you measure the end of a rope?
A man said one time, he came up to me and said, "Mr. Sam, you're infectious." What? What am I infecting people with? He said, "Well, you know, people can't, they look at you and they say, hey, they see a smile on my face, and then they say, hey, that makes me want to smile." I married at 22. I married my childhood sweetheart that lived down the road a little ways. We had 21 beautiful years together. Christmas morning, 1969, she had a heart attack and died like that. And I was just devastated.
I ever burned. The digits will tell you what you need to learn. It take friggin'.
See that picture right there? That's what the barn looked like when we got it. This was in 1988. There were two elderly girls that owned the barn, and they came to us, about 12 old farmers that lives out here, and they said, "Hey, the old barn's going to fall down if somebody don't do something about it."
When we speak all but kindness, the windows go blindless, and the one.
What would be the most important word in our language, or anybody's language for that matter? I think it is decisions. All right, our whole day is made up of one decision right after another. After we make our decision, then what? We have one more word. The second word, most important word, I think, is hope.
Well, I like to imagine.
After my wife died, well, the girls came to me and said, "Daddy, we loved our mother, but we realized that our mother is gone and she's not coming back." And they said, "Daddy, we know it's not good for you to live alone." And so we've decided that you need to go see if you could find another mate. I said, "Hey, by the way, Lord, now you do what you want to do, but I would love for you to make her just at least a little bit pretty."
Count all the letters I ever wrote. One
To me,
count the words.
she is the most beautiful, lovely lady that there is. I'm sorry, girls. You all going to have to come in second. I'm sorry.
Run away and I'll choke. How do you measure the end of a rope?
In the early day, what did we need so many towns that had brick-making plants for? What did we use the bricks for mostly? Roads. Roads, you're right. Hey, that's great. A lot of people have no idea. We can't do anything about it, so we've decided that if y'all would take the barn, restore it back to its original condition, let folks come in for free, just enjoy the history, the architecture, and be amazed at how a farmer back in 1898 built it. Hey, we just give you the barn. So we thought for about 30 seconds, said, okay, we'll do it. That was in 1988, and now look what happened in 4 years. I think a bunch of old farmers did a pretty good job. I'm just an old man, and I just really enjoy life. I really do. I want to rock step one. My wish for all young people, well, any people for that matter, that you can be as happy in your life as my wife and I have been. Every person that comes through that door, I'll tell you what, there has never been a bad person come through that door. All of them, some of them are frowning a little bit, but by the time they leave, hey, they enjoy themselves tremendously. The old barn has just got something in it that people just really love.